my name is Serena Hinojos, or the kids know me as Chef Cece. I'm with Lunch Bunch, and in celebration of the Asian American and Pacific Islanders, we are going to make a Korean pastry today called hotteok, and also a banana milk drink. So the kids are gonna make everything from scratch with us today. And I'm doing the first mixing because we're using really hot milk. The kids love it, they have a great time, and they're learning healthy recipes that they can also try at home with their parents. I have like these 3 things for class: safety, respect, and teamwork. So we teach them knife safety. We have kid-safe knives that we allow them to use under our supervision. Respect for others, we encourage each other. Sometimes people make mistakes. Not every step has to be perfect, and we want them to learn that. And teamwork. So they all get different stations to help make the recipe possible, and we want them to learn that we all need to do our part and work together to build this wonderful recipe that we can enjoy together. And they're doing great so far.